So the middle section for Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, we have sentences 3, 4, and 5. Sentence 3 is a very short one, so you're going to be back here in the cage chord. You're going to start on finger number 3 this time, and then finish on 2. So the thing about this one, it's pretty easy to remember. Think of the top of the hand doing the first part of the sentence, the bottom of the hand doing the second part of the sentence. So if we start here on finger number 3 on the A, then one foggy, that's the first half. Now you're going to do the second half using fingers 2 and 1. Christmas Eve. So as long as you're in this cage chord, it's hard to even do anything wrong there, okay? So just remember, using only the notes of the cage chord, 3 and 5 are the first half, 2 and 1 are the second half. That is followed by sentence number 4. So rather than being in this cage chord, we have to now bring the thumb up, and we're only going to use those bottom 3 fingers. Santa came to say, so you see there's a pivot right in there. So let's look at that. We're going to start on our thumb. We're going to go to the middle of the hand and walk down all the way to the thumb, but then pivot over onto the E. And the reason that's important is because we need to then tuck the thumb under onto the D for sentence number 5. Okay, so this fingering is very important. Don't change that up at all. Start with your thumb on the F, walking up to the middle, all the way down for Santa came to say. So if you want to put that all together, let's start at sentence 3. Remember, you're going to use 3, 5 for the first half, then one foggy, 2, 1 for the second half, Christmas Eve. Bring the thumb up for sentence 4. Start there. Santa came to, and pivot over, say. So that's sentences 3 and 4. Now we're going to remember that thumb needs to come under onto the D. We're going to make a position now in the right hand where the F is empty. So we're going to walk up D, E, G, A, and B. It's important that you have that hand shape in your head or in your hands as well. We're going to walk up those 5 notes. Play that B 3 times. Rudolph, with your nose so bright. And then at that point, you have to reach up just a little bit for two times on the C there. Won't you? Now come on back down to the B. Keep that hand in that hand position as you walk down. But once you get to the F, you do need to play finger 2 on the F and then land on the D. So you'll see that on the way up, we played these 5 notes. We played a C in between. But then on the way down, we played those 5. So the E and the F, they swap out there. I'll show you one more time. Rudolph, with your nose so bright. Up you come for 2 beats. Won't you guide my sleigh? Finger 2 goes to the F. Tonight. And land there on the D. And then you are done with sentence number 5, and you're ready to finish the song with sentence 1 and sentence 2.